Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo queen, Igbo queen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl, Igbo no. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and join this family. In this channel, we speak Igbo fluently. In this channel, we don't judge in Igbo language. In this channel, we take it easy to learn Igbo. Okay guys, in today's video, I'm right in the kitchen and I want to be showing you guys practically the things we have in the kitchen and what is called in Igbo language. So let's start. What is inside is called mmiri. What is inside is called mmiri. And this container is called okpokoro ihe mmiri. Okpokoro ife mmiri. Please let me drink what I'm coming. So the container like this is called okpokoro ife mmiri. Okpokoro ife mmiri. And the water inside is called mmiri. The oil inside is called mmanụ nri. Mmanụ nri. Mmanụ nri. This is ground oil. Mmanụ nri. And this is called what? Iko. 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 3-letter words. Iko. 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 I don't know how you do it today. I don't know. Iko. 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 You must learn it. Iko. You must learn it. Iko. You must learn it. Iko. Iko. You must learn it. Iko. Iko. You must learn it. Iko. I don't know what I took today. Iko. Efere nri. Efere nri. Well, because of the shape of this plate, it's curved and it's inner. I'll call it efere ofe. Efere ofe, basically soup. Plate for soup or any watery substance that does not have to pour away because it's deep. So I'll call it efere ofe. This is also efere. It can be efere for anything, but efere. But I can call this one efere ofe because it's deep. Efere ofe, efere rice, efere osikapa, efere hobona. Ife aji asa efere. Ife aji asa efere. Ncha eji asa efere. Ncha eji asa efere. Knife, mma. Knife, mma. Mma dị nkọ, sharp knife. Mma dị nkọ. If you cut it now, the blood will come out. Mma dị nkọ, sharp knife. Ngaji. For eating. Ngaji nri. Ngaji nri. Ngaji nri. Ngaji nri. This one. Ite. Ite. Ite nri. Ite nri. Ite. Aji esi nri. Ite nri. Ite. Okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. This is ite. This is okwuchi. You cover it like this. Okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. Okwuchi ite. So guys, I don't want this lesson to be too much for you today, okay? So I'm going to stop here. So tell me in the comment section if you like this practical way of Igbo learning where I show you and tell you what the name is. Please put down in the comment section. If you want to see more of this type of video, I don't mind doing it. Maybe different section of the house. I show you from the kitchen, I show you from the bathroom, I show you from the room, I show you from the sitting room, I show you from the laundry, just whichever one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, because I deserve it, okay? And share this video as well. Guys, pardon me, I've used this cloth, this earring and this scarf to shoot 4 videos today because it's giving. The time came and we have to shoot videos. Okay, so we got no time removing clothes, putting another clothes. There's no time for that, because before you know it, these kids are closed from school and everything changes. Okay, so thank you for watching and just have a lovely day. Bye.